where the beaver goes down. That's a beaver dam. Not the bad word, it's just their house.
We walked on it.
Yeah, there's a hole. They just climb through it. And, well, they just climb through it sometimes just to survive the cold.
See this trail? He always comes up here.
And you see, there's all the ones that chewed are the ones
Like
that
this
he
one.
used. Like that one right there. Right there. Pretty creepy, huh?
That completely used their teeth.
They use their teeth. Like this.
Or like this. Okay, that's it.
Why don't you guys nibble on the tree down there and show me how he does it? Poke it down there and nibble on it. Show me.
No.
Austin, come nibble on the tree down there. I want to see what they look like. Chew on it for me. Down there at the bottom where the beaver did.
You see?
Show me.
Like that.
Do it again. Let me see it. Let me see it again.
Alright.
All right. What about you, Tristen? How do they nibble on it down? Show me.
We go like this.
I wonder if they did this. I really did you that off, didn't I?
Bite it again.
That's our Mr. Crazy Austin. He doesn't talk much for the first one. But right now, bye for next time.
No,
See you next time.
Wait. Every time when school's out, we will be on YouTube.
Thank you. Bye.